Yo, what's good, people? We back at it again. We're still covering this shit, bro. We're still covering this shit. You get what I'm saying? So apparently, Usimamane responded. You get what I'm saying? Usimamane responded with another. Oh, okay. Let me show you real quick. This album art is a flex on its own. I don't know which song this was for. Like where he won this award. Can you see that? Was it Uvalo? Oh fuck. It's like I haven't won an award yet. Okay, now it's going deep. From the album art already, bruh. From this cover art already. Yay! Shit's on 500,000. Shit must be good. Oh, and it's on 17 on trending. Shit. Titled Ransom, bruh. I'm assuming it's directed to a boy because now Uloku's apparently back down. But here's the thing. Because I couldn't find his diss tracks because apparently responded, but you know what? So now it's him versus La Cabra. Let's see what he's cooking. Okay. Don't tell me you're calling the boy chicken. Uku, we know Uku is a chicken, bro. Uku Nambia, I don't know what it actually means, the entire thing. Or maybe languages are different. Uku is a chicken, bro. Isn't a Uku a chicken? Or maybe I'm thinking this boy is rapping sure and go to think because I'm in his answers. No, let's hear what he's saying. Uku Nambia.
Starts no picture, easy and unshot tempered. I was the shit like a West on pampered. I'm with my dog, he's strapped up. I'm leaving low my shepherd.
Come on.
I mean, his parents is rich. Might as well hold his ass for extra. Might as well go to sway with a.
Oh, his parents are rich. Might as well hold his ass for rest. Who's he talking about here? Who's got rich parents? Oh, Nepo babies. Who are those? That's the problem. We don't know. Now it's probably from the underground, bro. Those niggas look like they have. They look like they have money, or they just know how to dress properly. I don't know, bro. No, let's run it back. Let's see what they say.
His parents is rich. Might as well hold his ass for extra. Might as well go to sway for the fuck of it. Cause I really need answers. Cannot believe I went from piss poor to me on him assets. Nobody put me on. I had to snatch the torch, man. They didn't pass it.
Come on.
I just paid 25 racks for my dog who's living with cancer.
Come on.
You ain't even 5 out for a show. You ain't even top 5 on your bros. You ain't even gay vibes with the toes. Lying to the kids and wearing fake drones.
You ain't even top 5 amongst your pros. Hi. Niggas say you're giving gay vibes and you're lying to the. Oh, flip. Who is he talking about, bruh? Giving gay vibes. Pero La Cabra, no. La Cabra. Eish, inkenga I never. Is it about La Cabra? Yo, it's about. Hey, man.
Top 5 on your bros. You be giving gay vibes with the pros. Lying to the kids and wearing fake drones. I move like a cheetah, you move like a snail. I'm painting a picture, you painting your nails.
I move like a cheetah, you move like a snail. Nigga said I'm painting a picture, you're painting your nails. Oh, Lord. What? Who paints his nails, bruh? Oh, no. I think we'll check. Oh, it should be Jekatan. Ooh. I paint a picture, you paint your nails. Yo! Oh, he's attacking your look, your whole aesthetic, your Jesus.
Mommy was rich and my mom was a maid. Before I get caught up before I get mazed.
Wait.
Your mommy was rich and my mom was a maid. Before I get caught up before I get mazed. Bitch, we not the same. Fuck niggas stay in your lane. Shouldn't have mentioned my name. You was pushing your album, was off on the games. The shots that you took, better work on your aim. Broke the family curse me. I broke all them chains. The feature that you was just bitching about.
Oh, you better work on your aim, bro. But I'm sure I can't give you some fun. We are cool time, misfiring the paw, shooting blacks. Hey, winner.
All them chains, the feature that you was just bitching about. Probably gonna cost you an arm and a leg. 80 rags and some change. Dorani, Oscar Pistorius.
Ukunambia. Okay. Taco. Let's go.
Baby boy, he said I'm not safe in Dubai. Shit is a blessing, it's smoothies. I feel like I'm
missing Guvade. Okay.
Can't even be 20 people I know, get I'm a DD on the car.
You can't even be a 21. Leave I'm a DD. You are this. This nigga. What's wrong with this nigga, bro? What the heck? Wow. Don't get I'm a DD. Hey, this language doesn't sound right, man. It just sounds wrong. Wow, it can't even be a 20. Yo, okay, let's go.
He said I'm not safe in the garden. I'm waiting for all of your niggas to rap. Still waiting for you to stop wearing grabs. Ain't beefing with you, I got beef with your dad on 20 your west like you dick.
Remember kada nhlonipho lo. Sibana manje kahloniphi. Zero nhlonipho. No. Listen to what he said.
For you to stop wearing grabs, ain't beefing with you, I got beef with your dad on 20 your west like you digging get on in the trap. Fuck it. Hey, move on your ass and dunk it. Can't even go back for bad, let's up it. Lazy jumping, you say daddy how high?
Somnyama. You. But we left a couple like you wena. Mighty Chambo did daddy how daddy West is your dad is worse. Yo, he was just saying to how high, but my city daddy ow. Uthanda vele umncane bizuba bakho. Bizuba bakhe. Bize. Chapa Poppy. Chapa. You. Usimamane. Hey wena. Let's make a little bit.
Up it, lazy jumping, you say daddy how high. You's a bitch that's puppet. You making songs for great A's and you tell them to take drugs and they love it.
Grade 8. You make sense for grade 8 and you tell them to take drugs and they love it. You. Oh Lord. But if people are just getting into teenagehood. Oh Lord, kushush. Abantu abasakupuberty bathi you so noma ino isho vele bahle bathi yeah take drugs yeah you I know ulenkinga Usimamane why wenza kanje usamfana oh Lord.
You's a bitch that's puppet. You making songs for great A's and you tell them to take drugs and they love it. We know a thing or two about your bitch nigga, but your sit back still gon' cuff it. Don't even get
baluma isinkwa sakho mfana basiluma basithi ham twa wena still uzokhafa I'm looming your sinkwa uthe yena ngosilumayo kule nto asazi but basically isinkwa siyadliwa. That's what he's saying.
Don't even give a fuck when you saw that cousin. Still gonna talk about that being so I close the discussion. Fuck, nigga.
I know who you talking about, boy. I will name these favorites. Go rap with your colleagues, my nigga.
Okay, Swisher.
One in GMG. Speed dial.
Niggas. Oh, Swisher was talking shit about the boy. I remember. Niggas say Trey don't do shit. GMG stay down. Now he's coming for the whole GMG. Oh damn. Say those binga niggas, that's all they're gonna say, so I don't give a shit about. Oh flip. Okay, switch at the end where it's diabolical, bro. Come on. Okay. Now he's roasting the boys. What are they gonna say, bruh? Me, I don't like people take this shit like down, man. Damn it. Do this. Angazulwa njani noma yini oyenzayo ilwa nkosi yami ilwa. Usimamane prize ulenza kanje. Yalimuthelelani izibi, liyavuma phephukani man. Hey, what is this? No, bro, that's what they did something, bro. No, because if this is happening, bro, this niggas, this will be the easiest win in history. What is this, bro? Hey, brother. No, but anyway, guys, we out.